to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today I'm going to talk about how pine bark extract has helped me personally on a personal level as well. And we're also going to talk about the benefits of pine bark extract. So pine bark extract is amazing for the body, for overall general health and wellness as well. It's known particularly well for its allergy relief properties because it contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that helps to reduce the severity of allergy symptoms such as sneezing, itching and congestion, and I found that to be true for my own experience. Since using it, my allergy symptoms have significantly reduced, because I did tell you a while ago that I had allergy symptoms that lasted all year long and they were quite painful, always having a runny nose and always kind of struggling with mucus as well. So since I have used pine bark extract, the allergy relief benefits are amazing to do with that, and it helped to reduce inflammation in the body as well. Another benefit of pine bark extract that I have yet to experience is skin health. It is known for its ability to support collagen production. So if you're looking for something to boost collagen production and promote healthy skin, highly advise you to give this a go. It is known to help to improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles and support overall skin health as well. And it's also been known to help with cardiovascular support, and this is one of the reasons why I'm using it, because we do have in our family, in the genetics, problems with cardiovascular health as well. So pine bark extract has been studied for its wonderful cardiovascular benefits. It is known to help in promoting blood circulation, supporting healthy blood vessel function, and reducing oxidative stress in the cardiovascular system. Another reason why people use pine bark extract, and one thing that I also wanted to use it for apart from its allergy reducing properties, is for cognitive function. Now, if you've been with me on the channel for a while now, I've been on the constant active search for supplements and for ingredients that help to enhance our cognitive function, and there are research that suggests that pine bark extract does have wonderful positive effects on cognitive function and memory, and also helps to enhance brain circulation, known to protect against oxidative damage and support overall brain health as well. When it comes to its last benefit is that it is rich in antioxidants, and it helps to provide antioxidant protection for the body. Because it is rich in antioxidants, it actually neutralizes free radicals and reduces oxidative stress in the body, and the antioxidant effect and activity also provides protection against various health conditions and supports overall well-being. Now, it's important to note that it is important to seek the consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new supplement, including pine bark extract. And also remember that individual responses to supplements does vary. What works for you may not work for others in the same way, and it's important to always listen to your body, pay attention to any possible side effects or interactions, and always make an informed decision about your health.